Good morning, everyone on YouTube. Today, good morning. So actually, it's bad weather today to fly drones, and the footage will be crappy. So we're doing something else. We're going on a hunt for RC cars.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so we went out on internet and found second-hand this. So this is a super RC car, our first one, and it's been through rough times, but actually it's they changed it a little bit. The guy, he was really friendly and also give me extra batteries, battery charger and so on. So we will take this one out for a spin tomorrow. Hopefully, depends on the weather. Okay? So, wiper. Pit stop, KFC.
Popcorn!
Yay! Okay guys, I found a very nice store. It's called Barkarby Hobby. Let me show you guys. They got the knowledge, and actually they told me that I should go for a Traxxas, and actually this one, the Rustler. So I actually had this car I actually had this cheap model in my car. So let's try this one out. If it's crap, we will see. If you guys like it, we'll come back here, buy this car, and then talk to the guys here. Okay, let's move on. Okay. So this is wiper, BSD Racing wiper. I also got battery charger, so it charges faster, and extra battery, and the controller. So I think it might be a battery inside here. But I also got batteries because we need that. Micro USB. No, sorry, micro SD card for this camera, which I'm going to place somewhere on here with this this tape. Double glued tape, I think it's called. Alright, so I'm gonna do that, charge the batteries, and then it's turning dark, but we'll take it to my job because there's a big garage, and we'll try it out just a little bit, and then tomorrow let's take it somewhere else.
Hi guys!
Okay, so it's time. Let's do this. So I'm gonna put the camera down here. Hold on.
It's so big!
Let's push
The camera!
Can you hold the camera?
Yeah, I
Can you film the car?
can. Yeah?
Whoa! Oops, I can't see. It's coming.
No!
You have it?
Yeah.
You okay? Continue.
Oh my god. Not now.
Oops. Whoa!
Now this come. Oh my god.
Hey! Okay, I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Okay, that was fun, but I think we need to do something with it. The steering is a little bit off. I think I can do that now. It's night time. This took all day and it was fun. Tomorrow we will take this. Hopefully I can drive it at skateboard track. That's it. Did you like it? Please subscribe, hit the bell, thumbs up. Peace out from Sweden.